Good morning, Namaskar, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials all around the world, those who are listening, watching and thinking. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA. Today it is very wonderful time. It is nice time, nice place, and very nice thought of our mind. As the sun rises daily with full of energy, it gives us a lesson, teaching to do something like light, to do something glorious. With full of energy, it shows its face, it comes at our home, in our bedroom, and in all the particles of the universe. Its existence, its light in the form of rays reaches in the heart and mind of the people. It never discriminates and classifies equally. Everyone can enjoy, everyone is healed and recovered by the energy of sunlight. Sun is the alone. So we are not to think that we are alone. All the world comes in the form of light, in the form of awakening, when the sun rises from its beds. Because its thought is to serve the people, to do the duty. So it comes at its right time, it works according to right time. So it is one of the part of nature and tells us, expresses, a man never feel back, don't have inferiorities, always think better, superior, higher than all 84 lakh species of the world. The God has created its own form in the form of man. It is written in all the holy scriptures, in all the sacred books of religion, it has been described and explained very clearly. We should never feel alone and isolated, whether we are patient or healthy, whether we are rich or poor, or whether we are aristocratic or common. We are to be common, simple, but our thinking should be very high. As our spiritual teachers, our spiritual guide instructs us, informs us, directs us the righteous path of humanity for the welfare of our personal life, for the welfare of society, and for the welfare of nation. We should work continue without any break, unceasingly, unstoppingly, unrelentingly. What is the aim? What is the purpose of our human life? That is to get the salvation and the emancipation. It is our aim, it is our ultimate motto of life. As Swami Vivekananda, social reformer, not only social reformer, but free thinker, freedom fighter of our soul, of our spirit, spreaded out the message of oneness, uniqueness. Amen. You are the one, inborn one. Your all internal organs, your mind and your heart, both are working closely, friendly, and both these are meeting each other. In the presence of lungs, so what an important and crucial lesson we can gain from our internal systems of the body that are unitary, that are one. When we decide to achieve our goal, to achieve success, so for reaching at the height of success, it is very necessary, it is very essential that we are to be friendly, familiar with our internal organs. We must understand our ideas. First step, journey of the success starts from our ideas, thoughts. According to our honorable, reverend social reformer Swami Vivekananda, one idea can change. One idea can change the whole scenario of the body. One idea can change the whole world of your internal body also. So we should never forget, we can change by our thought. So the journey of the success or fortune starts from our ideas and thought. Sometimes someone may say, how ideas and thought are so important than actions? Really not so important, but the most important, because the idea is the first step entering into the gate of success. First step of success is ideas and our thoughts, opinions, notions. Whenever we get up early in the morning, we get up, we rise with a great thought, and we take the lesson from the sun rays,